What's up, folks? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a homemade red sauce that you can use in any of your Italian dishes. You're going to want to check this out. Alright, I've got about a tablespoon of butter melting right now. I've got one medium yellow onion chopped, one green bell pepper, and about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic that I've minced. I'm going to put the onion and bell pepper in first, let that saute for about 10 minutes. I don't want to put my garlic in just yet because I don't want it to burn. That's stirred, and we'll check back in about 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to add about 8 to 10 ounces of tomato paste to my veggies. Just blend that all together. Get good and mixed. Okay, so this started bubbling on me a little bit, so I'm going to add my seasonings. I've got half a tablespoon of dried basil and dried thyme, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of an Italian seasoning blend, and just under a tablespoon of sugar. This is going to help cut the acidity of those tomatoes. You got a lot of tomato in here, so add that sugar. You're going to turn your fire all the way to low. We're going to cover this, let it cook for at least 30 minutes. The longer you go, the better. Those flavors are going to marry, and it's just going to be awesome. Our sauce is ready. It cooked for about 30 to 45 minutes. I did add salt and pepper to taste and a little bit more Italian seasoning, and I think it's perfect. Let's give this a little try. Probably gonna burn my mouth here, but it'll be worth it. If you would like, cook it another hour to 2 hours. Really get all those ingredients just married together. They're gonna be delicious. And the longer you cook, the better this is gonna be. This is gonna go great on spaghetti, lasagna, meatball subs, ravioli, anything that you like red sauce on. And hey, dip that garlic bread in there as well. Be sure to check out my lasagna recipe that I specifically made this sauce for. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss Big T's next recipe.